Theory question 5a for private candidates. Solve x over 3 minus 1/4 x plus 2 greater than 3x minus 2 whole number 1 over 5. So in this, the first thing we will do is to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction. We are going to get x over 3 minus 1/4 to bracket x plus 2 is greater than 3x minus 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 out of 5. Then the next thing, we are going to find the least common denominator. We have 3, we have 4, and we have 5. The least common denominator is 60. So we multiply the 60 by each of the terms. So minus 60 times 1/4 x plus 2 greater than 60 times 3x minus 60 times 11 out of 5. Then we do cancellation. 3 into 60 is 20. Then 4 into 60 is 15. Then 5 into 60 is 12. 20 times x will give us 20x minus 15 into bracket x plus 2 greater than 60 times 3x. We are getting 180x. Then minus 12 times 11 is 132. Alright? Then we expand. We are going to get 20x minus 15x minus 30. The negative 15 is multiplying the bracket. Is greater than 180x minus 132. Alright, at next, 20x minus 15x will give us 5x minus 30 greater than 180x minus 132. Then we collect like terms. In this case, the x's will go to the right hand side and the numbers will come to the left hand side. So we have negative 30 here, negative 132. When it crosses, it becomes plus 132, which is greater than 180 is already there, so 180x, and the 5x will be transposed and it will be negative 5x. Negative 30 plus 132 is 102. So 102 is greater than 180x minus 5x is 175x. 175x. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 175. And you're going to get 102 is greater than 175x divided by 175 divided by 175. 175 will cancel out. Then the value of x is less than 102 divided by 175. Theory question 8a for private candidates. We have I, which says make Q the subject of the relation R is equal to f out of 2 plus into bracket f squared divided by 4 plus q squared or exponent half. So in the first step, we are going to transpose the term without Q to the left hand side. We already have R there, so R minus F over 2 is equal to F squared over 4 plus Q squared exponent half. We want to get rid of this half. What we can do is to square both sides. R minus F out of 2 all squared is equal to F over 2 F squared over 4 plus Q squared exponent half. Then we also square this expression, and this square will take care of the half, and we are going to get R minus F out of 2 all square is equal to F squared divided by 4 plus Q squared. We have two terms at the right hand side, so we transpose the term without the Q to the left hand side again. Then we are going to get R minus F over 2 all square minus F squared over 4, which is equal to Q squared. To find Q, we take the square root of both sides. We are going to get square root of R minus F over 2 all square minus F squared over 4, all of them under one square root, is equal to square root of Q squared. And the square root will take care of the square. Finally, our Q is equal to square root into bracket R minus F over 2 all square minus F squared over 4, and that is the value for Q. The II says we should find correct to three significant figures. The positive value of Q when F is equal to, so when F is equal to 4 and R is equal to 5. So we have to find Q correct to three significant figures. Now, with the value of Q as R minus F over 2 all square minus F squared over 4. By substitution, the value for R is 5, so minus F is 4 out of 2 all square minus F is 4 square divided by 4. Then 2 goes into 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 square is 9. Then we come to this side. 4 square is 4 times 4. So one of the 4's will cancel one of them. So it's like 4 times 4. So this will cancel that. Then we have minus 4, which is equal to square root of 9 minus 4 is 5. And the square root of 5 is 2.24 to three significant figures.